Now we are going to look at search and find function. Also we are going to see how we can use these function in different scenario. Both search and find function helps to identify any specific character in any specific cell. The only difference between search and find function is search function is not case sensitive and the find function is a case sensitive. So now I have list of name here. So I want to find the name using search function. So I want to find Peter. Search. So find text. Peter. Within text. So I'm going to search here. So this is my within text, comma, and the start number. So from where I want to start? I want to start from the beginning. So I'm going to give 1. In case if you are giving 3, it will search only from the third character. Enter. So the value is not available. Let me copy paste this for the other cells. So now if you see here, only in this cell I got the result. It is 6. 6 is nothing but Peter name start from the 6th character. So JOHN is 4 character, then space is the 5th character, and P start from the 6th character. Same thing I'll try for find. Find text. This time I find Roger. Within double quote, Roger, comma, and within text, let me choose this. This is my text, and start number I want to search from the beginning, 1. Again I'm getting the same results, but if you see here, so I have Roger here, but I'm getting error. The reason is, as I mentioned, find is a case sensitive. So let me change the R from small letter to capital letter. Now I copy paste the formula. Now you got the result 1. 1 because Roger name start from the first character. Now we also see how we can use this formula to split the name, first name to be in this column and last name to be in this column. So first name basically comes in the left side and last name comes in the right side. So let me use equal left, select the character, select the text, and number of character. So number of character can be changed because James only 5 character, Michael we have 7 character, Sachin we have 6 character, so it will vary. So if I give 5, but the same formula I cannot use it for other cells. So now what I'm going to see is what is the common thing which we have across all the name. The common thing is space. So using space I'm going to split the character. So now instead of 5 I'm going to get the space comes in which place. Search. Find text is space, within text is name, comma, from the first character I want to search. So now if you see, so I got all the first name. Basically how this function is working, let me show here. So now I'll do search separately. Search, find text is this, so find text is space, within text is this, and start number is 1. So 6th place I have space. So now left, this is my text and this is my number of character. So it will pick. In case if I change this for the next character, I'll make it to Michael Jackson. I'll use the same left function. Here I'm getting the first name separately. Same thing I'm going to do for the last name. So to get the last name, it is on the right side. I'll use right. Select the text. Again here also we have similar problem because right side for each and every name the number of character differs. So I cannot use the standard number. So if I use 7, So I cannot use the same 7 for all the cells because it will give different result. Okay, so then how do I get the last character, last name, character count? To get that, use len. Len, take the total character. So this is my total character. So now what I'm going to find is, I'm going to subtract my total character, and then I'll use search, find text again space, within text is this, comma 0. Let me check. Sorry, 1. So now I got 7. Okay, same formula I'll copy paste here. 7. Same formula I copy paste here. 9. So for Tendulkar, why I got 9? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the total text, len, using len function, I'm taking the total character of the name. From there, I'm just subtracting the first portion using search function. So len minus whatever number I get. So in this case, search space I have here. So search in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 character will be the result for the search function. If you want to check, I'll put it separately. Copy. So we get total character and then minus 7. So you will get the remaining character. So we are picking the remaining character from left side. So now I'm going to use write function, and the text is this, comma. So this formula, len and search formula, will give the number of character. Sorry. See, now we got the last name separately. So initially we learned right, left, len. So you when you use Excel, you have to think in such a way that how you can combine one function with the other function, how you can combine with the basic function with the advanced function. So this will improve your thinking as well as your analytic skill. Hope you understood. Let's move to next function.